this is just a short video to make you aware of all the different kind of customization which can go on in the platform. Now, as I mentioned before, there's a much more comprehensive video in here in the Learn section that Tara has prepared, and you would just go for System, and then you can see all this system setup. That's a really important film to watch once you're a customer, but just until you are a customer, let me just explain at a high level what's going on there. So we have a way of managing all the preferences in your instance. Do you want to make it something that enables certificates? Do you want to have self-registration, which has become really big for us lately? The default style, so I actually don't like Arial, I've been using Poppins. So once I've clicked that as a default style, you'll see it change down there, and everything that I build when I'm authoring will now use that as the default, so it makes things much quicker. You can upload your own fonts, customize these kind of things. Are you going to be sharing to an LMS? Then other things up here in the wheelhouse, and there are videos on nearly all of these, is obviously how you set up your users. That will be a video all of itself. So this is an individual user. There's only one in here right now, that's me. But I might be bringing in groups, carpenters, electricians, for example, positions, senior manager, lower manager, and indeed different organizations within a company. Subjects is something I've dealt with in another video, so you can link to that here. Channels, again, all of these will have their own videos. These are the channels that I have created thus far, and a channel only pops up here in your hub once you have shared content to it. So let's just have a look. Is there anything I haven't shared content to in my channels? Authoring, content management. Yeah, no, they've all got something in them, I think. So you can see all of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 channels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 channels. Yeah, there we go. And as I mentioned earlier on, self-registration has become very big for us. So if I come back into the hub, you can see here that if I enable self-registration, someone who isn't a registered user of the system can create their own user profile at the beginning of their journey into the hub, their journey into content. So this is great if you're using lots of contractors. Okay, so that's it. Very simple one this morning.